sorry.
Excuse me?
I'm so sorry that I
You
scared you.
scared me.
So sorry that I scared you. Ma'am, can you just tell me that where's Keshapuram?
Sir, can you please keep your hand away from me?
Ma'am, I'm just asking you directions. There's nothing so I'm not being informed or anything like that, and I'm just asking directions that like where is Keshapuram, ma'am?
You can take right.
Ma'am, like to be very particular, Corodental.
Excuse me, sir. I don't know the exact direction. Please, you can go right and ask somebody else.
Ma'am, can you just call a fire brigade? Yes, because there's a fire in the car.
Fire in the car?
You're the fire, ma'am.
Excuse me? How could you touch me like that?
Ma'am, I didn't mean to touch you, but the beauty cannot stop me. Ma'am, खराब हो जाएगा. Ma'am, खराब हो जाएगा.
What the hell is he doing?
Just allow me to talk to you, ma'am.
No, why do you want to talk to me,
Because
Bas?
there's a male and female disproportion ratio in the country, ma'am. And I want a
Excuse
beautiful
me, what is
girlfriend
he
like
talking
you.
about?
And I want a beautiful girlfriend like you. And you know, you can see I'm handsome too, so we can make a good couple. On just being a beauty factor. Otherwise, your heart also seems kind. The way you talk to me, ma'am.
What the fuck are you talking about?
The way you talk to me.
But I have not been talking to you.
But your English sounds
I
good.
just said one sentence.
Ma'am, which color is the shade of the lipstick? By the way, I didn't ever get your name. I have to move forward.
Excuse me?
I have to
Why are
move-
you asking for my lip shade? Do you want to buy it for your girlfriend?
I literally misheard and I heard that. Do you want to bite? Ma'am, just to be moving forward a little, can I just know your name and not call you ma'am? Because that sounds a little old-fashioned, and you're not any old.
My name is Anamika,
Anamika.
and people call me Anne.
Your name is Anamika. People call you Anne, and I'm your fan already. Whatever you're eating, Anne, listen to me, Anne.
I am just having prasad.
प्रसाद से नहीं शेयर करोगे आप?
Of course not.
अब हमें मिले हुए आपको पता है कितनी देर हो गई है?
How can you just flirt with me like that?
Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes, I do have a boyfriend.
Do you have a husband?
No, I'm not married. See, I'm not put any.
That's why I'm talking to you for
Oh
such
my
long.
God, sorry. I need to hide this.
That's why I'm talking to you so long.
But I'm married.
What will you do of this marriage in which you're not happy? Just
I am so happy in my marriage. Excuse
But-
me, my husband is very nice. And he loves me so
if
much.
he's so nice, if he's so good, where is he? I can see the passenger seat empty for me, the driver's seat empty for me.
He has just gone to मंदिर. Okay, हमारे लिए pray करने के लिए. He's so good.
By the way, just looking at your artificial makeup, can I just touch your artificial skin?
Excuse me. Oh, no. What are you doing?
I'm just tying a knot with my hand
You
and your
can't
hand.
do it, but I am married.
Then why are you not stopping me?
I am stopping you, but you're macho. How could you touch my hand like that?
I'm sorry. I'll take permission from your husband if you're married, and if you're saying a lie, you can tell me right now.
No. He's just coming, and if he'll see you,
He's just coming. What's his name?
his name is Coco.
His name is Coco. What is your name?
Anamika.
हाँ चलो.
Anamika.
Anamika जी.
My name is Anamika.
Love you जी.
So, excuse me, please go. फट गई मेरे